Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in today's tips and tricks video, we're going to learn more about the Scribble tool in TinkerCAD. So TinkerCAD is a free website that you can design anything in 3D form and you can export it and then you can actually have it 3D printed. Now there's a couple of different tools in TinkerCAD. When you first open up the program, you'll notice a work plane, and this is your space where you can design anything on this platform. Over to your right hand side, there's a whole bunch of different shapes and tools, and one of them is the Scribble tool. And when you click on it, you're gonna then drag it over to your work plane, click on your work plane, and now your screen has changed. And this is kind of where you can actually freehand and draw all these different shapes. You'll notice in the top right hand corner that then a 3D preview starts. So that's one way that you can then take that and start manipulating it afterwards. But let's make some shapes first and go over some of the tools that are already featured here. So down at the bottom, you have your draw tool, then you have your eraser tool. And what your eraser tool does is it'll actually erase part of your shape and edit it. There's also a little fill tool. There's also a draw shape tool, and you can kind of then click and draw and it'll kind of fill it in. There's one also for erasing, so if you wanted to erase all that, you could do that too. Shave off little pieces here. So I'm just going to recreate a shape, little doodle, and then I'm going to hit done in the bottom right hand corner. And now you can see that my scribble is now a 3D object. And I can do the same thing as I would do with any shape at this point. I can click on it and make it thinner or thicker, taller or shorter, and I can also rotate it as well. So that's one of the many features in TinkerCAD where you can use your Scribble tool. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and that was today's tips and tricks. Take care.